When you open the Zions Bank Business Credit Card page, the design looks clean but a bit outdated. The top menu includes links for personal, business, and wealth management. Once you click into the Business Credit Card section, you'll see the Zions Bank Business Credit Card among a few other business financing options. The page loads fast, but the layout feels cluttered with too much text and small font sizes, which might be annoying if you're browsing on a laptop or tablet. The main highlight they show right away is the lack of an annual fee, which is good for startups or small companies trying to manage expenses.
Tired of banks checking your credit score for weeks, slapping on limits, and blocking transactions? We get how frustrating it is. With the Red Dot Pay card, you'll get a multi-currency account, a card issued in minutes, and the freedom to pay without red tape. You can also link your crypto directly and spend instantly. No credit checks or delays. Click the link in the description now, apply for your Red Dot Pay card, get $5 on your account, and start using it right away.
They also mention competitive variable APRs, but when you check the details, the rate depends heavily on your creditworthiness, so it might not be as low as advertised for many applicants. There's no clear breakdown of the reward system on the first page, which feels like a missed opportunity. You have to click through to another section just to find out what kind of cash back or points you can actually earn. When you scroll down, the site offers a short list of benefits like fraud protection, account alerts, and online access through their portal. These are pretty standard features that most banks offer, so nothing stands out here. What's more useful is the integration with their business checking accounts and the option to manage employee cards with custom spending limits. This could help business owners track team expenses in real time. The application process is simple, but not very transparent. You click Apply Now, and it takes you to a form asking for standard business info, revenue, tax ID, and personal details. There's no pre-qualification check or soft pull option, which means applying could affect your credit score even if you don't get approved. The site doesn't clearly state approval timelines either, which might frustrate users who want quick results. In terms of security, Zions Bank provides multi-factor authentication and encryption, which is solid, but they don't go into much detail about their data privacy policy or how they handle stored information. I would have liked to see more transparency here, especially since many small businesses handle sensitive client payments. On the positive side, customer support is easy to find. There's a clear contact page with phone numbers and hours of operation. You can also visit a local branch if you're in the western US, mainly Utah or Idaho. However, if you're outside that region, support might be limited and you might need to rely entirely on the phone or email. Overall, the Zions Bank Business Credit Card seems decent for local businesses looking for straightforward banking with no annual fee. The downsides are the limited rewards info, lack of modern site design, and no online pre-approval option. But the account management tools and integration with their other Zions Bank services could make it convenient if you already bank with them. If you're comparing it to national options like Chase Inc. or Capital One Spark, this card might feel basic, but for smaller regional companies that want personal service and local support, it's worth a look. If you found this review helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so